Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to share a script with you. This script will help you to create a marker in your screen like this. You can see that these red markers, if you see my scene, here I have some objects. This is my truck, and this is an object that you see here. Let me move it. If I move it, the marker will follow object. And there are several markers here in my screen to help players see the objects that they can interact. And here is my canvas. This is my canvas. Here, this is my canvas, and it is an overlay object, and you can see these red markers here. Those markers are moving according to player movement and the target object movement. The way my script works is, here I have the script. Here I have this script, blinking marker. Let me show you the script. This is the script. And I will show you how to use it. Let's say we have an empty scene. I'm going to create an empty scene. I will call it test scene. We need a canvas. Set aspect ratio. We need an object here, an empty rect transform object. We will set it to full screen. The anchor preset, set it to full. Press Alt and click, and then add the script here, blinking marker. We set this game object as the marker's parent, and then we need a game object. For example, we can create an image here. We can create a marker image here, and we can set the sprite. For example, I will choose this this button, or maybe this one, and let's create a prefab from it. Marker prefab, drag and drop it here to make prefab. Now delete this one, and here in your blinking marker script, drag and drop it here. Now the tags, we need to set tags to mark. We can add some tags here. I will use for example this spawn point tag, so I will type spawn point, and then I create an object here. Let me set the position 000 and set the tag to spawn point, and let's try to play the game. Now we see this marker is following this object. Let me try to move my cube this way, so everywhere the object is moving, the marker is showing where is the position of this object. Okay, I will share this link, this script, and the link will be in the description of this video. Thank you. Bye bye.